Hey, how is it going? This is Dean here from Raqmedia.com. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to restore the Wi-Fi icon in the taskbar. Welcome back. So as you can see here, we are not connecting to the Wi-Fi. We are having problem connecting to the internet, but the problem is we also don't have the Wi-Fi icon to enable it or activate the internet connection. So the fix is pretty easy. All you need to do is to head onto this pen icon, click on it. Next you hit the add or the plus, and here you have different options. What we need here is the Wi-Fi. If you need any other more options, just select them. So hit Wi-Fi. Next click done, and voila, the icon appears. Let's hit it and check if it really gets activated or not. And voila, that's it. So, problem fixed. Now we can toggle in and toggle off the Wi-Fi as you like without any problems, and the icon is still in there. And that's it. Hope that was helpful. And with this we have reached the end. Keep tuned for our coming tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please have them below, and subscribe if you want more helpful videos like this. See you around. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com